Hello friends, in this video we will understand two very important Python concepts, the Python interpreter mode and the script mode. We will just not discuss the theory but also run code in both mode to clearly understand when to use which one. Let's first talk about what is Python interpreter. The Python interpreter is also known as interactive mode. In this mode, Python read your code line by line, execute it, and immediately shows the output. This process is also called as REPL. The REPL stands for read, evaluate, print, and loop. Whatever line you write is executed instantly. This mode is extremely useful for beginner for quick testing. Let's see this practically now. I'm opening the terminal and typing the Python word, then pressing the enter key. When you see the triple forward slash prompt, it means Python interpreter is running and active right now. Now I type print in brackets hello interpreter and then press the enter key. As you can see, the output appears immediately without creating any file. This is the big advantage of interactive mode. Now let's talk about script mode. In script mode, we write Python code inside a file that has a .py extensions. Python reads entire file first and then execute it. This approach is used in real-world applications and large-scale projects. Now I'm opening PyCharm window and creating a new file with a name script.py. And now inside this file I am writing one command print hello script mode, and after writing that command I am saving this file right now. Now I am going to open the terminal. I am typing python script.py. Now in the output you can see hello script mode is executed successfully, which means Python code works in script mode. Now, till right the point, we have seen the practical example of both the mode and see how it exactly works. Now we will see the comparison between these two modes in detail. In interpreter mode, code execute line by line and output is immediate. It is mainly used for learning and testing. Whereas in script mode, code is written in a file and entire program runs together. It is used for large-scale projects and applications. In today's video, we understood the difference between Python interpreter and the script mode. Not just the difference, we also ran code in the both modes. Now in the next video, we will start the Python basics and understand variables and data types. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon